Okay, I had to prop the camera up because I don't have a stand yet, and I need a new phone. So I got their millings here, and I got 2 boxes full of all sorts of fruit today. So I'm gonna go ahead and throw it in there, then I'll grab the camera and we can watch them fight over their food. Alright, so one thing I learned the other day was I've got to spread the food throughout both of the troughs, because these two, Mama Cow and Happy Cow, they tend to hog up everything. If all the food's condensed in one area, then the other cows to get head-butted out. I mean, this is crazy, look. He's trying to get everybody out of the way. So this time I got it spread all throughout here. See, now he can come over here. Is that the female? I can't tell half the time. Yeah, the female. So a little girl can come over here and eat food without getting head-butted. Now why are you going over there where it's all concentrated with other cows? You're just going to get pushed out. See? Little girl's not that smart. Happy Cow's going from one trough to another. And they like their little millets better than they do the, well, they eat the fruit, but they eat all the melons first. Goofball's got his own trough. He's doing all right. Little girl's like, get the hell out of the way, man. Happy Cow. The reason I gave her a name Happy Cow is because it's a little tough to see, but over in the other pasture where that other fence is over there, sometimes they get stuck over there, and when I'm over here trying to feed them food, they'll get stuck in that pasture and they'll all be mooing at me from over there. So what I'll do is I'll grab the white bucket and I'll walk inside here and then walk around that little path you can kind of see, and then they'll see me walking that way, and then Happy Cow, she gets finding out what's going on, and she starts running, and then she starts running and jumping all over the place as fast as she can run anyways, and then she kind of follows me, and sometimes she like runs and jumps all the way over here, and Mama Cow does the same thing. She gets really happy too, and I think it's because Happy Cow gets happy. That's my theory anyways. Mama Cow got her name because she's Mama Cow. She had that baby calf, obviously. Maybe not so obvious, but that's her baby. And then we have Goofball here, and he's just a goofball. And he'll actually play with you if you get in the pasture, push around on his head a little bit. He starts like kind of headbutting you and stuff. Probably not the smartest thing to do, but we've done it a couple times. We think he's probably going to grow up and be an aggressive bull, so he's probably gonna get taken to market or something, or get slaughtered, I guess. Oh, that's little girl. I'm sorry. This is Goofball. I get him confused sometimes. And little girl, I just gave her that name the other day, I think. You guys almost done eating? So yeah, this is pretty much an everyday thing. And I try to do my best to be the one that cuts up the vegetables and make sure there's no rubber bands. And you got to keep the avocados out because they got those big seeds inside. So I try to get the big seeds out. And mangoes, I just cut fillets off the mangoes and throw the big seed away because they're not supposed to eat those. But they seem to be eating everything. And it's getting dark out. Now you're a happy cow, huh? Alright everybody, I guess we've probably seen enough here. We'll see what's going on tomorrow, I suppose. It's RavenSky, peace out.